This grade 5 class is introduced to some primary source materials such as interviews from the Huffington Post, with members of the community of Attawapis Cat. They express their responses through words and dance. They observe, analyze, and respond to First Nations dance, as a form of expression, with performances from tribal vision. Later they will express their ideas, feelings and emotions, through their own dance. Their teacher explains the process.
And from there they also watch a video where there was an MPP talking about what he would like to see happen and how we can help to improve the situation for schools in the far north on reserves. So children were getting a first-hand primary resource about the government's role in First Nations education and in that funding, and they were looking at equity across the province, in their own province. And those primary resources, I used those to help elicit a response from the students, and that response was emotional for them. And so from that emotional response we went towards how do we express our feelings through a dance form. So the learning that they did prior to in social studies about First Nations, about funding formulas, all of that was sort of brought together in these clips, and then they were able to reflect on what are our emotions, how do we feel about this situation, and then how can we express that in a dance piece.
As an example, this group focused on the theme of equity. They tell about their reactions, ideas, and emotions, in words.
I chose equity because they should have the same rights as we do.
The reason I chose equity is because every child in every country should be equal no matter how they look. Every child should have a good education and should be treated equally.
They then express their ideas, using elements of dance.
Explain to us the symbolism behind what you just did, because I know that you had meaning to.
So triangles, we're doing like an equilateral triangle because they're at equal sides. So we're doing that with our legs, and then Shay was walking in the middle, so he was representing everyone gets some.
So equal sections. That, yeah.
Okay. Like Shay's the whole world or something.
Okay.
And he walks. Yeah, no, he's the whole world.
Okay.
And then he walks between our legs, and that means the whole world.
Equity.